How many orgasms should men have?
You know, it's how you train, but at least you can have, we call like a wave. Okay?
Yeah.
So when you make love, but they always involved with, you need to get the lady ejaculation
Right.
first. That is a major part. So the Tao talk about 3 water. That means the lady can at least have 3 times ejaculation, because lady only 1 egg 1 month. They produce 1 egg 1 month. So the lady have the fluid is the seminal fluid, the same like man, but they call the ski gland. So that fluid is just like water, a little bit smooth the part. So mostly it's the water, a fluid. So lady not lose too much energy because they only 1 egg.
Right.
Yeah, but men need to prepare 100 million, 200 million, that much of sperm. Because when the man ejaculation into the vagina, because the vagina are designed to kill sperm. So when the man ejaculation in, 180 million die immediately because all the acid inside, they kill them all.
Right.
And you have 20 million, so the 20 million walk through the dead body. Because they have to walk through the dead body, otherwise they survive.
Bodies. Right. Okay. All right.
They cannot survive. So when they're entering the vagina, now it's the big maze again. They get lost. So those stupid ones get lost. Only left one smart one is you and me, you know.
Right.
That's the way we make
Okay.
it.
All right. So you talk about the female orgasm because the men need to prepare the female. To continue having the multiple orgasms.
Right.
So talk about the women. They have the 3 gates you talk
Yes.
about, right?
Yeah. Because woman, you have the first gate is the clits, the clitoris. Because the clitoris is where is built. So in some tribe in Africa, they think that, okay, lady, you don't need the clit, so they cut it off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because clit is nothing involved with having baby and nothing involved with any part of having baby. So they think that why you need to have it.
Right.
Okay. But they maybe know that, hey, why lady need to have orgasm and feel good about that? That gland is only fun,
Right.
or feel arousal, or feel good.
Right.
Okay. But why we have that? You see? So it's for playing, because the clit is not in the vagina. It's on the top of it. And the leg also around in the lips. They have, so that's quite big, but we only see the tip of it. So the Tao said you need to work with it. So in the olden time, they use tofu.
Tofu.
Yes.
Wow.
Because that is very sensitive point. So they buy soft tofu, 3 layer, and you put on the finger on it, and you try. So you need to train. Otherwise you cannot, because if you don't get the vibration enough to go right to it.
To the tofu.
To the tofu.
Okay.
You cannot go to the clit and the leg of the clitoris and about the expansion of the, so it's quite big. So the vibration, so when you get on the tofu and you started to vibrating and train the vibration, and the vibration have to go through.
Okay.
And if the vibration go to enough, the lady ejaculation.
Okay. Do you still recommend tofu or not?
But they can at least train themselves.
Okay.
But tofu is it's so soft.
Okay, understood.
And you can see that if you break the tofu, oh, the lady said, don't touch it, you know.
Right. And I always was surprised because 2 of the 3 gates, and we'll talk about the second gate next, the penis can't do anything with.
Yes.
Which is crazy.
Yeah.
Because you think the male sexual organ and the female sexual organ go together and it's that simple. But it's not. Because to hit the first gate, and then we'll know the second gate, you need fingers and tongues and tofu.
Right.
And devices, maybe.
Right.
That's
to train it.
Okay, you need training. Okay.
Yeah, because the first gate, So the Tao said you have to be patient and compassion.
Okay.
Patient is that you have to work with the clit. And sometimes it can take a while. Okay? So when you're hugging, kissing, the penis is already erect. And the man always want to penetrate immediately. So the Tao said, hey, listen, the woman like water, like yin, is not ready yet. Water need time to boil. Man, like fire, we start boom, burn, erect, and you go.
Right.
So in the beginning, if you get the fire and put in the water, and you finish very quick. You finish, okay. So the Tao said, if you prepare the lady ejaculation, and you started, now the lady started to boil, and you started to make love. Now the lady up boiling already, and now when we make love, now you also feel arousal, orgasm, and you have more control. Because lady already ejaculation, now the lady more easier.